it fucking jump.
Alright, welcome back to the Ozone. We have another shoe unboxing. Let's get it started. You guys know what this is if you watched the last video, but we're going to get you some box action. Let's see if we get the focus. This shoe is the Nike Air Max 720 Waves, Silver, Lilac, and University Red Edition. Make sure I got a good camera angle for you guys. Well, let me show you the box again. But you just saw the box. You see how the box comes in. That's how you know you're getting the Nike Waves edition. This is the Nike Waves box. Nike there. You guys can see like this little hazard tape on the front of the box. And then on the back of the box, you get just a solid white iconic Nike on there. Nothing much on the bottom, just, you know, standard. Let's open these up. You open the shoe, see the box top you get. No special box top, and you get another duffel. I said I don't know what you do with this duffel. Keep your money, those smoke supplies, maybe some sneaker cleaning. This one's actually probably the best of all the duffels. Let's put that to the side. Get the shoe out of here. This isn't my favorite wave. I think out of all of them, this may be my least favorite Air Max 720 Wave. Let's bust it out. Looks pretty much the same exact as the white. Same exact as the black, only it's a little bit tighter. I like these shoes. Look like I got a little bit of paper stuck on there. I'll clean that off. It's nothing major, guys. It's always something gonna happen when you get the shoe back home. Again, this is the Air Max 720 Waves Gray, they call this one. Get you guys some bottom action. A lot of people said they like the bottoms on the other one. This bottom is exactly the same as that one. It's just black. Alright, let's get you the next shoe. Alright guys, here's shoe number 2. Let me get you a little bit of box cam. There's nothing special about this box. Let me just see if I can get this in focus for you guys. This shoe is the continuation of what I just showed you. I'm building my Air Max collection. This is the Nike Air Max Excee. Black, white, and University Red. And I just call this the Stardust Red Air Max 90. Nothing special. Just working on my Air Maxes. I like Air Max 90s. Alright, just get you guys some 360 action. I just kick the camera to make sure it's still good angle. Nothing special about these, you know, it's just Air Max 90. A little bit closer. I just really like it. I just bought, I don't know how many pairs of Air Maxes over 50, so we're going to go through all of them. I got 90s, 97s, whatever's. But I really like these 90s. They look like they're going to be a comfortable shoe. Like I could just sit with them all day. At least that's what the box says. Got some bottom action. This is just a wonderful shoe. It's a pretty good looking shoe. Air Max 90. Like I said, we're going to call it the Stardust Red because this red is kind of, I don't know if you guys could see it, but the guys kind of got like spots and it's shimmery and they're not like the Galaxies. I have the Galaxies too. We're going to unbox those later. Let's get to the third shoe. Alright guys, the third shoe is a Nike mystery box. I'm going to open it and we'll find out what it is all together. Slicing it open now. Slicing it open. Slicing it open. Let's see what we got in here. It's a Jordy. Get it out the box. There's a way to get you guys some box action with me, you'll know what it is before I do. Let's hope it focuses. This shoe is the Jordan Mars 270 black, and team orange edition. Let's see what it looks like. My first time seeing this shoe in hand. It was available on the Nike's member only sale, so I just picked it up for a great price. So I said to finish up the collection a little bit more. Get you guys some side action. It's not a bad shoe. I don't know if I'm ever going to wear it. Oh, that bubble looks awesome on there, though. If I can find some cool stuff, I need something that got orange and black. Orange, yellow, and black. You know, we people from the hood can find something that match anything. And I have to have definitely some place to be going to wear this shoe. Oh, that bottom is pretty decent as well. Let you guys get some more bubble action. That's a good looking shoe. Again, this is the Jordan Mars 270 black, and team orange edition. Pretty good looking shoe. So if you're a Nike member, make sure you go check out Nike.com and pick up this shoe. I'll give you one more back. Woo! That back makes this shoe outstanding. Alright guys, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the shoes. Let me know what shoes to do next. And make sure you stay safe out there. Everybody fucking jump!